Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with this sign that I got on clearance after Christmas from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to take some white chalk paint and cover up that saying on the front and give it a fresh coat just on the front. The rest was fine except for I did do the back, but just not on camera. So I did 2 coats of the chalk paint to cover that up, and I let the paint fully dry in between each coat. Once I had that all painted and it was fully dry, I took this new fabric that I found at Walmart. It is blue with white stars on it, and it was in the fat quarters that they just got for summer. I just cut a small square, or I should say rectangle, and then I'm just going to Mod Podge it to the top left-hand corner here, making sure that it's fully stuck. Once I had that on there, I'm going to take a bunch of different ribbons, and I went through all of my ribbons and picked out all the red ones, and I picked out a few like white ones that I had, and I'm just going to start attaching them right next to this square. So as you can see, I started off with a thin ribbon, and then I have this lace ribbon that I'm going to lay underneath that, and then I'm just going to keep layering as I go. So here's another red ribbon. I'm going to put that down, and I'm just going to use all of these ribbons to make the stripes for my flag. And then I'm going to skip down here and do a red ribbon at the underneath of the square, going right across. And then I had this tassel ribbon that I'm going to put above that where that white one should be. It's just going to hang over that red one, so I wanted to make sure that I did that one first. So I'm just going to attach this tassel ribbon. And then I am going to go ahead and add another red ribbon down at the bottom. Just adding more glue, putting down this piece of ribbon. And then in between those pieces, I have this rosette ribbon that I'm going to lay on top of those for that other white stripe. So I'm just going to take some glue and start gluing that down. Get that all glued into place. And then I'm going to take my scissors and cut off any excess that needs to be cut off on the edges. So just kind of give it a little bit of a trim on both sides. And look how cute this is so far. Next, I'm going to take this wooden star that I had, and I'm going to give it a quick coat of white paint. Once it was fully dry, I am going to glue that right on top of the fabric. So I'm going to do it right in the center. Just add some hot glue, place it down. Then I was going through my button stash, and I found a blue star button. So I'm going to put that right in the center of the white star that I just put on there. And I thought that was the perfect final touch for this project. I think it turned out so super cute, and it was super easy to make. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.